Hi friends! Welcome back to our channel. This is Krishna and I'm here with my little sister,
Gianna.
Yeah. I'm 10 and she's
4.
Yeah. Okay, so as you've seen on the thumbnail, or as you see now, we've drawn F for
Frog.
Yeah. If you would like to make F for frog, I hope you keep on watching this video. And me and Gianna have been making an A to Z series, right?
Yeah, I love baking.
So we did A for alien, B for... What did we do B for? Bunny.
Yeah, B for bunny.
What else did we do? C for...
I know. C for bucket.
Cupcake, yeah. D for... What was D? Oh, yeah, dolphin.
Yeah, D for dolphin, but D is for dog.
Yeah, D is for dog and dolphin. And then we did E for...
Elephant.
And now we're doing F for...
Frog.
Yeah.
I made a happy frog.
Yeah, you did make a happy frog. I love your frog.
No, I made a happy frog.
Okay. So, if you would like to keep on watching, you can watch this video to make this frog. And make sure to like and subscribe. Would you like to add anything, Gianna?
This was my favorite drawing, and I'll just do it when I go outside. I feel like when I go like somewhere where it's so hard, and then I'm watching my videos in my car because we go to trip car, you remember the trip one? Holiday trip? We got that phone for kids, and when we went to a holiday, I did watch it. I watched it so much, and then I'd be tired.
Okay, that was really fun, right? First, we're gonna make the letter F. We're gonna make one line going up.
I know how to do that.
No, we need it like somewhere at the middle of our paper, so I'm gonna help you out a little. There. Great job. Now we're gonna make one line here. And another line here. Good job.
I know how to make it up.
Okay, now we're gonna make the frog's tongue. First, we're gonna make a curvy line here.
I love curvy lines. It looks like a marker.
Then, so we're gonna finish off the tongue later, but first, we need to make the...
Smile.
Yeah. We're gonna make another curvy line here.
Here?
Yeah. And you can stop there. Good job. Then another curvy line here, just like you did on the other side. Okay. Then we're gonna make one curvy line there.
Here?
Yeah. And then another one on the other side. Now we're gonna finish off the tongue. We're gonna make a line going up. And then we're gonna make a line inside of the tongue.
Why?
I don't know. You know whenever you watch cartoons, you see there's a line inside.
No, I don't.
Maybe it just makes it look like a tongue. Now we're gonna make the frog's face. We're gonna make a curvy line here.
I love making face here.
Yeah.
I
And
love
then
making face this.
we're gonna extend this line and make a curvy line there.
Or did?
You can watch mine, look. So I did this, and then I curved it up. Do you want me to help you?
Wasn't this good?
Let me help you. So stop there, and then make a curve there, okay? Make a line there, and then curve up. Okay. Now, we're gonna make that line go a bit up.
This?
Yeah. Great job. Make sure it stops right here, kind of like above the face. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Now we're gonna make the frog's eyes. You know how frogs have big eyes?
Yeah.
Yeah, they look so silly, right? Now,
And they got so nice too.
yeah, aliens have big eyes too.
Yeah, even Alien got so much ice, like I know a whole lot.
Okay, we're gonna extend this line a bit further. So stop here. Don't finish off that line. So then we're gonna make the eyes over here. And then make this line a little bigger too. Now make this line a little bigger too. It doesn't show there. Huh? Oh, now we're gonna make one upside down U.
Okay.
Wait. So we're gonna make a bump here and stop right over there. And then we're gonna make that bump go down. So look, we want this part to be not connecting, but we need to be the same height as the other part, okay? Great job, that's perfect. Now we're gonna make a little line here, tiny line. Great job. And then we're gonna do another curve, and then we're gonna connect on this side. Yeah, you're good there. Okay. That's it.
I did ask for them.
Okay, now we're gonna make another curve inside of that curve.
That is the inside curve because I love doing the side curve. We can color when the spots.
Yeah, these are the eyes.
Yeah, that was so cool.
Then we'll do the same thing on the other eye. And then a line here. And then a line here. That's cool. So yeah, if you want, you can do it like Gianna did. You can connect the lines from here. But I'm just gonna keep them a bit separate. Now we're gonna make the frog's nose, okay? We're gonna make one dot here and another dot here. So easy. You made big nostrils.
Yeah.
That's okay.
I look like a walrus.
Hmm.
A walrus.
A walrus?
Yeah, walrus got some big giant eyes and big heads and big tummies.
Okay. Now we're gonna make the inside of the frog's eyes. We're gonna make a tiny V shape there. So we're gonna make a tiny V shape. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Do you need help? Wait. That's good.
Why is doing that?
These are the pupils.
It doesn't look like it.
And then we're gonna make a curvy line and go down. So look, we're gonna start from here and we're gonna go down, okay? Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. Great job. You already went ahead of me. Wait, let me finish now. And then you can color in that part.
My favorite color part.
You like coloring them in?
Yeah, I like to color, but I don't like to make them.
Yeah, it is kind of hard making them. I like coloring too. Okay,
Ugh.
now we're gonna make the frog's hands.
My leg hurts now.
We're gonna make one line going down here.
Here?
Yeah, there, and then you stop right there. It's okay. Then we'll do the same thing on this side. Make sure it's like the same height.
Here?
Yeah. Now we're gonna make 3 toes for the frog. We're gonna make one loop here.
Oh,
So make a loop here, and then you see that dot that I made? You can stop there, okay? Great job. Then we're gonna make another loop here,
Another up here.
and then a tiny third one.
Shape one.
Now we're gonna curve this up, and you can stop right there. Okay, then we're gonna do one bump here.
Here?
We're gonna do this and stop there. And then another bump here.
It
And
looks
then
like a butterfly.
it does. And then another bump here. And now we're going to extend that line up. Make sure it doesn't go through the tongue. Yeah, good job. Now we're going to make a curve here.
It's
Great
a belly.
job.
It's a belly.
Yeah, you already know it's a belly.
I know how to do it like this.
Now we're going to make the legs. We're going to make one curvy line here.
Here?
Yeah. Stop. And then we're going to make that go down. Wait. So we're going to make this curvy line a bit bigger, and then we're going to make that go down here. Great job. And then make that. You don't need to do that. You're already good. Then we're going to make one toe there. Then another toe here. And then another toe hiding behind this one. Great job. Now we're going to make another line coming down from here. Great job. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to make one line here. Okay. Then make that line a little longer. Then we're going to make one toe here. Another toe here. And another toe here. Now we're gonna make one line here. Yeah. And we're gonna finish off the belly. We're gonna make one U. Upside down U. Great job. Now we're gonna make a lily pad. Do you know what a lily pad is?
No.
It's like a type of flower, a type of leaf that's in the water.
Leaf flower.
Yeah. So
Favorite.
you see this part? Let's make a dot over here. Let's make a dot there. So it can help us. We're going to go from here.
You're not the kid because then you cannot get the spot.
We're gonna go there. Oh. We're gonna go here and make a big U and stop there. You can do it. Great job. And then we're gonna stop right here. Then we're gonna go a little further over there. We're gonna make a triangle-like shape. Now we're gonna make another line here. And then make a curvy line. So we're gonna do that and curve here. Great job.
It's fun to make it.
Now we're gonna make little squiggly lines.
For water?
Yeah, for water.
A big storm wave is coming.
Oh no. And if you want, you can make a sun here.
I'll make clouds and stuff.
No, only a sun.
I'll make a giant one.
Okay. Now we're done with our frog drawing.
Oh, wait.
Now we're done with our frog drawing.
The happy face.
And now we're gonna fast forward this part. We're gonna be using the colors pink, light green, yellow, and she's gonna be using orange and the same colors. Okay? Are you ready to
Yeah.
fast forward?
Yeah.
Okay.